कैसे हैं आप लोग?
Keep it real.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to hack PUBG Mobile on both root and non-root devices. This ESP works on both root and non-root devices and supports all versions. So if you are having rooted device, you can directly apply this hack without any issues. For non-root devices you have to install Wemos and 32-bit PUBG Global or KR versions. To install Wemos on non-root devices you have to watch a tutorial video, which is given in description. Click on that link and watch whole tutorial. If this hack worked for you, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like before moving into tutorial. Watch this small gameplay video.